What's going on, guys? I'm David. I own Finishing Touch Detailing Paint Correction in Maryville, Tennessee. Today we're gonna do a halo install on some troubled vinyl. A lot of guys have problems with matte surfaces and satin surfaces with streaking. We're gonna show you how to prep it, apply it, and wipe it off. Once we got the vehicle wrapped, you wanna prep the surface for halo. What I like to use is alcohol. It evaporates quickly and it eliminates the streakiness. When coating matte surfaces, I like to get my light set up at a 45-degree angle. It's just easier to see high spots and streaks that way when you start to go to wipe it off. The most important part of halo on a flat or satin surface is overloading your applicator. Don't be afraid to use a lot. For a van this size, you want to probably use two 50 ml bottles. Halo recommends 2 layers. That's the best way to do it on a matte surface because it absorbs so much. When you go to apply, soak the applicator more so than you would on a gloss or painted surface. Where a lot of people make mistakes in flat and satin surfaces is coating half a panel at a time. With a finish like this, you want to do 1 panel at a time. You see the hood I have lifted up to separate it from the panel next to it. You don't want to over wipe into the next panel or else you risk having a high spot or an overlap line once you try to go to level it. Because you have to do an entire panel in one shot, it is best to have 2 people doing this at the same time. So if, for instance, the roof on a transit van is huge, there's no glass, there's no sunroof. When we go to coat this, we're gonna have 1 guy on each side, we're gonna coat it all at the same time and wipe it off all at the same time so there's no overlap line to where we stop and reapply something on a flat surface. When you guys are done leveling and you're happy with the finish, be sure to stand back and check your work. You can either use a scan grip or the stand lights. Step back 10, 15 feet and look at your work. Look for those high spots or streaks in the matte vinyl. If you're close, you're not gonna be able to see those. When you guys are standing back, kind of looking at your final inspection to make sure the vehicle's good, if you see any zebra stripings or streaks in the vinyl itself, they should go away after about 24 hours.